So I got these binoculars from Amazon. They are really good, not too expensive, around 65 Canadian dollars. This is how you adjust them. First, you see these here. If you don't wear glasses, you need to put them to the maximum like that. So open them like that. And then you need to adjust the width for your eyes. So you adjust it like that until you don't see a black stripe here when you look into the binoculars. And then here, after you adjust the widths and you put these like that, you need to adjust your left eye with this here. So this is to adjust the left eye focus. And then you need to adjust your right eye using this here, like that. They are really light and they have a strap. They also have a strap that you can put on your body. Of course, they are well protected also. And this is another protection here. So in short, this is how you adjust them.